Hello guys, it's me Dishan and you are watching Mzhere YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reel, Snapchat and other platform short videos in just one click. First, watch this video which I created in this.
You need to create quality content that people want to watch. Building an audience takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. Once you have a following, you can.
This video created by AI in just one click. So for making this video, first of all, you have to come here quickbit.ai in this website. Then click on get started for free. Now here is sign in to your account. You can manually enter your email and or another option you can sign in with Google. I will sign in with Google. So here is my account is ready. My account is made just in one click. Now I made YouTube short video in just one click. So here is the option YouTube shorts. You can write blog post to video. You can make video from blog post, product review, but these tools are not available now. It's coming soon. So I click on YouTube shorts. I will create shorts video in this just one click. So here is the video title. You have to write or you can place it manually, which is created by other AI tools like ChatGPT or other. So I enter how to make money on YouTube. Now click on the generate script. It generate this script according to our title which I placed here. So it create the script, whole script. Now it's time to select the background keyword. Click here. Now you can select according to the title or objective of your video. So I select city. You can also select travels. Now here is the background music. If you want to place the background music, so click here. Now next option is subtitles. It will also generate auto subtitles on your video. Click on customize. You can change the color of subtitles on which show on your video. I leave this as customize. You can also image overlay which made your video more beautiful and attractive. Now here is the option custom profile. You can tick here. So the other option will remove, or you can also place your profile, your image, your voice, extra. I want to create this video, whole video by AI. Then I select here the voice, male or female. I select female voice. Now here is the option avatar. You can place avatar, but it is only absent. It is only present in premium version, but we are using free version. Now whole process is done. Click on review button. Now your video is going to be ready. So here is the video duration which created by AI. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes to generate whole video. Now here is the background video generated. You can check. Now this option is only available on premium version. Now simply click on generate. Now here is loading. It will take 1 minute or less than 1 minute to generate our video. If you are new in my YouTube channel, so please first subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video. I am making a whole video in the playlist. You can also watch. At the end of this video, you will see the playlist. You can watch all the videos and earn money by AI in this modern time. Now I pause the video. So it generated video. Our video is ready. Now check.
Here's how to make money on YouTube. First, you'll need to create a YouTube channel and build a following by consistently posting engaging content. Next, you can start monetizing your channel by enabling ads on your videos.
Now this was the whole process which I show you. Now simply click on download button and this video is downloaded. Here is the downloading start. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. If you are any confusion, then please place your question in the comment box. Thank you.